channel. Myself Tapun Kumar Roy, and my videos channel is the Art Cage. Today I share you amazing paintings techniques which are developed your drawings, pastel techniques, how to create the crayon color and pastel color, and you will learn amazing pastel artist. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you.